What is up, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today, I'm going to make one of my favorite Korean dishes, the spicy chicken bulgogi. Of course, you can use pork belly just to make it sound more Korean-ish and taste better, of course. However, chicken is healthier. And in this video, I'm going to share with you one secret recipe about making this dish. So keep watching and you will know what is that one element in bringing this dish to the next level. Sorry guys, I made a mistake here. I should really be marinating the chicken before you take care of the vegetables. So when you're doing this dish, remember to just marinate the chicken first and then you take care of the vegetables, then the chicken will be more tasty afterwards. When you're putting the peanut butter, remember to put it right in the middle of the frying pan. It's with the most heat. Unless you're using an electric stove, then it doesn't really matter because the heat is evenly distributed. Okay guys, I screwed up the second time. I was staring at my screen and was not aware the amount of water that I have already put in the bowl. You should be looking for nothing more than half of what you see in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my work, please like, comment or subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I will be doing a Chinese dish. Stay tuned.